welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is Mr. Lunsford, and I'm glad you joined me this evening. Tonight's homework is for the evening of March 28th, 2018, and our topic tonight is the characteristics of polyhedra. We're looking at edges, faces, vertices, and bases, part 2. And this is the episode right after my computer died about a week and 3 days ago. I'm back in business, and let's see if we can get caught up. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm looking at problems 8, 9, and 10 tonight, and there are 3 shapes here. We're looking at all 3 of these at the exact same time, and let's start off with number 8. The overall shape right here is a pyramid. Then for number 9, we have another pyramid, and for number 10, we have a prism. And when we look at exactly what type of prism we have here, we're going to need to look at our bases, our edges, our vertices, and so on. So right now we have a pyramid, and a prism. Number of bases. For number 8, we have 1 base. For number 9, we have 1 base. And all pyramids have only 1 base. So whenever you see a pyramid, just think there's only going to be 1 base. For a prism, we have 2 bases. And remember, the definition for a base is that you have 2 parallel congruent faces, and in that prism we have 2 triangles, one at the front and one at the back, that serve as our 2 bases, and we'll look at that a little more closely in a few minutes. Our number of sides on our base, we have 3 sides on our pyramid for number 8. We have 6 sides for number 9. We have 3 sides on each of our bases for that prism. So when we name our shape, for number 8, we have a triangular pyramid. For number 9, we have a hexagonal pyramid. Remember, a hexagon is a shape with 6 sides, and we have a triangular prism. Now we get to look at each shape in detail. So let's start with number 8, our triangular pyramid. So for number 8, and you see that we've cleared out that chart a little bit, we're starting off with our base. And for our triangular pyramid, it's ACD. And there's our ACD, that's our base for our triangular pyramid. Now, looking at the faces, we're staying with the triangular pyramid. So, looking at our faces, we have BCD, ABD, ACD, and ABC. And remember, a base is a face, but not every face is a base, okay? So if we're looking at this again, triangle ACD is a face and a base, but triangle ABC is just a face. All right, it's just a face. So carrying on, we have here our edges, and last time I did this, I forgot to put my little bar on top of each of my edges. Whenever you name an edge, it's a line segment. So see where it says AB with that little line on top of it? That lets me know that I'm talking about line segment AB. And I apologize for that. I should have had that in my last video. But let's go through our edges, and in no particular order. We have line segment, we have edge BD, edge AB, line segment BC, line segment DC, line segment AD. Here we have edge AC, and I'm using those terms interchangeably. And that's it. And now let's look at our vertices. We have 4 vertices, 4 corners in this shape. So we have B, A, C, and D. That's it. All right, so let's take a look at the hexagonal pyramid. We have the base right here, and remember the base is a hexagon, so let's describe that shape. QRMNOP. That's our base. Now, looking at our faces in no particular order, here we go. We have triangle QRL, triangle QLP, triangle PLO, triangle OLN, triangle NLM, and triangle LRM. And then we also have our base, which also serves as a face, hexagon QRMNOP. Alright, so going on, here's our edges, and here's all our line segments. Let's go through these. Line segment LR, then we have line segment QL, line segment PL, line segment LO, line segment LN, line segment LM, line segment RM, line segment MN, line segment ON, line segment PO, line segment QP, line segment QR, and that's it. Now we're going to look at our vertices, and our vertices are as follows. Vertex L, vertex R, vertex Q, vertex P, vertex O, vertex N, and vertex M. And that's it for our hexagonal pyramid. Now we're on to a more familiar shape, that's the triangular prism. So, looking at our bases, and again I said that there were two. Our base includes RSV and UTW. So those are our two bases. And let's see, our faces here, we have 5 of them. Let's look at them. Face and base, RSV, face STWV, face RSTU, face RVWU, and face UTW. And here's our edges. Here's all our line segments here. We have, in no particular order, line segment RS, line segment RV, line segment VS, edge ST, edge VW, edge RU, line segment UW, line segment UT, line segment TW. All right, and now let's look at our vertices. We have vertex S, vertex R, vertex V, vertex U, vertex T, and vertex W. All right, that's it. Y'all take care, and remember, math is not just about numbers. It's all about the relationships that surround us every day. Have a good one.